So, greetings and very warm welcome to you all to Astro Times today. Uh, I started, almost all after a period gap of 15 days, I started. This is my second video about this gemology. Because of my exigencies, I am not able to focus much on this gemology, but after a long time, I found some time to make my next video on this gemology. Okay, see, let me share my screen with you all. So what we are going to learn, see, last week I have given one introduction session, and in continuation to that session, now I want to just go one step forward. So what we are going to learn during my sessions. See, I'm not promising you that I'll make you an expert gemologist. Okay, but I'll give you some basic idea. So what we are going to learn during my sessions. For convenience purpose, I divided these sessions into 6 parts. Okay, part 1, that is getting to know gems. Part 2, diamonds. Part 3, colored gemstones. Part 4, design and style. Getting the look what you want. Part 5, important advice before you buy. And finally, part 6, important advice after you buy. If I feel that at any point of time, one more session needs to be included after 6 sessions or in between these sessions, I will make necessary modifications to these sessions. Okay, first, let us go part 1. Again, there are 2 points that you have to focus on. Becoming intimate with gems, looking for a gems that's cut above. Okay, these are the session names, and let me assume that you are a very layman about these gems. So first, once you make up your mind that you want to buy a gem, so what you have to do, you go to your friend's house or any relative's house. Please examine the gems, what are they, examine the collection of the gems, what they are having with them. Please keep a separate pen and notebook for this purpose, and you just make a diary on which date you went to whose house, what gems you examined, and what you feel about them. Please make a note. And especially you have to focus on these areas: color, brilliance, and cut. Okay, then once this work is over, parallelly what you have to do, you have to make a list of some 10 jewelry stores that are around you. Famous jewelry stores. Now, I'm not asking you to advising you to go to any roadside jewelry store. Who's well sought out jewelry store in your locality, and pay attention how each stone differs in shade, sparkle, and overall finish. This is what you have to examine from a jewelry store. Okay, and ask. Please ask. See, when you go to next jewelry store, please compare this qualities of this gem with the quality of the gem that you find in other stores. Okay, if there is a price variation between one store and other store, please ask that jeweler why there is so much of price variation. And please make recordings, whatever he says, please make a note of it. Okay, next, when it comes to buying gemstones, knowledge and observation are your most powerful tools. Okay, many people make mistake of buying gemstones just blindly. treating it as a gamble rather than informed decision. Unfortunately, those who lack knowledge are often the ones who lose the most. Okay, next. You made up your mind to buy a gemstone. So what questions you have to ask yourself? These are the questions that you are seeing on the screen. Is the color what you desire? Is the shape what you want? Does it have liveliness or zip? Do you like it and feel excited by it? Can you afford that gem? These are the questions that you have to ask yourself. Once you are satisfied with the answers, that next, what you have to do? The 6 key steps in examining a gemstone. This is what we are going to learn in our next session. Okay, this session I am stopping here. First, ask these questions to yourself. And these questions, first, you have to go to your friend's house, relatives' house, and examine like this, and jewelry store, and ask these questions to the jeweler, and finally come to one conclusion which kind of gem you want to buy. Okay. Next, I will get you educated about the 6 steps in examining a gemstone, examining of a gemstone. Thank you for watching the video. Keep watching. Goodbye, and God bless you all.